You're listening to English Daily Speak, where you learn real English through real conversations. Let's get started.
What would you do if someone handed you $1 million right now?
Oh, wow. Right now? Like in cash? In a suitcase?
Sure. Let's say a suitcase full of crisp $100 bills. 1 million. No strings attached.
That's hard. I mean, part of me wants to say I'd invest it, be smart. But let's be honest, the first thing I'd probably do...
Buy the biggest pizza I've ever seen, like a pizza the size of my living room, for no reason.
Classic. Spend the first $100 on food.
But seriously, $1 million. It's a lot, but also not enough to never work again.
Yeah, not these days. After taxes, maybe you'd have $700,000. Still amazing, but not retirement money.
You know what I'd do first? Pay off all my family's debt, my student loans, my parents' house, everything. Just clear the stress.
That's beautiful. Giving your family peace of mind, that's real wealth.
Would you still work?
Yeah, but differently. I think I'd start something small. A cozy bookstore cafe, maybe, with soft chairs, tea, second-hand books.
And soft jazz playing in the background?
Exactly.
You're already living in the movie version of your life.
Sincerely. Hey, if I had the chance, I'd make it real. And you?
I think I'd travel first. Like, not tourist travel, slow travel. Live in a different country for 6 months, maybe Japan or Iceland.
Wake up to a mountain view, right? Hike, cook.
And take photos of snow you'll never post.
Exactly. It's about the vibe, not the likes.
But also, I'd give some away.
Really?
Yeah, like maybe $100,000 to build something useful. A school, a clean water project, something that lasts.
That's powerful. Giving something that outlives the money.
You ever notice how we say we'd be generous if we had money, but it's hard to be generous when we don't?
Yeah, but I think generosity starts before the money. If you give when you have little, you'll still give when you have more.
That's true.
Okay, real question now. Would you buy something crazy?
Oh, for sure. A secret room in my house. One that opens with a book on a shelf.
You mean like in spy movies?
Yes, a hidden library. With snacks. That's the dream.
You had me at snacks.
What about you? Any ridiculous purchases?
Okay. I'd buy a house with a slide from the bedroom to the kitchen.
A slide? Like for kids?
No, like a cool adult slide. With LED lights. And maybe fog.
You're insane, but I'd visit.
You know what's funny though? We talk about money like it changes everything. But maybe it only makes you more of who you already are.
That's deep. So if you're generous now, you'll be more generous. If you're greedy, you'll be greedier.
If you're lost, more money won't give you direction.
Exactly. It's like money's a mirror.
So, what's one non-money thing that would still matter, even with $1 million?
Good friends. People who love you for who you are, not what you have.
Yeah, that doesn't come in a suitcase.
Or a slide. I think about this sometimes. What if the million never comes? Are we still living well now?
Honestly, that's the real question. Not what would I do with money, but what am I doing with my life today?
If the dream is peace, maybe I don't need $1 million. Just a little less fear, a little more courage.
Maybe happiness costs less than we think.
Or maybe it isn't about money at all.
So, to you listening, what would you do with $1 million?
Write it down. Think about it, and maybe, just maybe, try living one small piece of that dream now.
Because the real wealth might already be in your hands.
Thanks for dreaming with us today on Speak English Daily.
And if you ever find that suitcase full of cash,
Grinning, call us first.
we'll split the pizza.